Venables. Rhwng dau ddyn yn hyfryd I ganol y cae at Kieran Smith. A mae'r bêl at Henry Jones!
Mae'n gyfla.
Bydd o'n siomedig bod y heb dar ar targed.
Mae fydd o, oherwydd mae'n sgil dda I fynd heibio I ddyn o'n hyn. Edrycha, mae'n troi yn sydyn, mae'n heibio Nathan rwan. Cadw dy ben drosti. Mae yna ongl yna yndi, ond ar draws y golwr. Dim am y postyn cyntaf yna.
Mae'r bêl I lwybr Henry Jones eto. Allan nid y well tro yma! O goll! Ac mae un o ser hanner cynta'r tymor yn dylanwadu. Mae di methu un cyfle. Mae di sgorio fo'r ail. Y Bala un. Caernarfon dim.
Wel, be mae Crowder yn trio wneud fan hyn? Dwi'n gwybod mae allan o'i safle hyn chwarae canol cae, ond fel amddiffynwr canol, ti jyst cymryd cyffyrddi allan, rhaid pasiau? Na, mae'n oedi. Mae'n ei igon amser I hyn, I gau o'i lawr, ei pwysau arno, dwy'n y bêl, ond tro ma, dyma methu hon. Mae'n gwybod tro ma, mae'n agosach i'r bêl, dyma'n ymestyn o gwbl, mae ben o drosti, a rwan, trwy goesio mae'n gael, mae'n trwy ddyn yn gweud am digwydd.
Mae'r bêl gan Hayes, mae'r Bala di dechrau ar dan, dim amheuaeth am Annie Jones nôl at Hayes, y bêl nôl at Jones eto! Ac yn y diwedd James sy'n rhoi di dros y bar. A mae chwaraewyr am lyca Bala yn cyd chwarae, ac ar hyn o bryd maen nhw'n rhwygo Caernarfon yn ddarnau. Smith gath y dacl mewn a mae'n dod nôl eto. Y bêl di hanelu at Thomas! Syth at y golwr, unrhyw ochr, a fasa di mynd mewn.
Mae rai fod beniau ar draws y golwr i'r gornel, lle mae'n dod o.
Henry Jones yn erlyd Edwards. Edwards yn taro honna fe dipyn o rym arni nôl at Ramsey. A sbiwch, manteisio'r amddiffyn gwan eto, arbediad da. Cyfle I Smith, amddiffyn gwell fyth. Ac fasa honno di bod yn ergyd I Caernarfon. Ac os maen nhw di rheoli'r gêm, a bron a gildio. Thomas, Evans, Bradley. Mae gan hwn fonia. Bêl nôl, at y postyn gosa! Mae di methu! A mae Breeze rywsut di roi honna ar ochr anghywir i'r postyn. Malcolm.
Mae'n un o heina, fel blaenwr tisio byth weld eto. Mae o glanio yn y rwyd, ond nath o'n fynd ar bêl yna hefyd.
James. Smith. Nôl at Burns. Burns ni chwipio fewn chwilio am Venables. Roedd oedd ar yr amddiffynwr. A rywsyn fy honna di aros allan. Burke oedd I mewn. A Venables wedyn heibio'r postyn.
Mae'n dod eto yn ôl at Venables a ti disgwyl I droed chwith o dri lladd yn ganol y gol. Mae hon I fewn. Na, heibio'r postyn, diangfa I Caernarfon.
Henry Jones, cyfle I droi'r 1 yn 2. Mewn â hi at y postyn. Sut bod honna di aros allan? Smith! Di dal hefyd I fewn. Mae'r golwr rhoi ben I ganol y coesau. Mae Bradley'n I chlirioi. Ac mae Malcolm Allen wrth yn ymwili yn edrych mewn anghrediniaeth lwyr. Ac am unwaith, dwi'n meddwl bod yn gallu siarad.
Caernarfon yn y diwedd rhyw ffordd neu gilydd fel maen nhw wedi gwneud tymor yma. Cael cyrff o dda yn y bêl na.
James. William Hayes, oedd hi'n bwysig iawn bod honna cael ei ffenio bod hi'n mynhedeg I lwybr Venables. Cyd chwarae hyfryd! Ac unwaith eto! Mae di tasgu! Unwaith eto, y tro moddi ar Ryan Williams. A mae di fynd dros y bar.
Sut mae di cael ei dros y bar, di beth? Sut mae'n cael hwnna dros y bar?
Y gig gornel! A mae'r bediad eto.
Ti'n edrych ar y golwr Ramsey ma. A mae o rhwng y pys, mae o'n gawr cofia.
Venables. Craig. Gwahodd Breeze I fynd ar ei holi. Breeze rhwng dau amddiffynwr. Mae wedi cael mewn wyddwch i'r rhyngddyn nhw. Mae lot o waith I wneud eto. Kai Jones arbediad! Ac yn y diwedd. Mae bêl yn cael ei chlirio dros yr ystlys.
Gwych gan Breeze na ddeud, oedd o'n brwydro cystadlu, mae o'n gorfforol cry, mae'r sodled yna'n un perffaith I lwybr cae. Mae hwnna'n y gornel, cofia. Ond Ashley Morris yn neud yr arbediad.
Gornel mewn! A mae wedi cael ei ffenio mewn i'r hoed. A'r bachgen sydd wedi sgorio di Darren Thomas.
Un o'ch wedi llia ar y cae. Mae o'n ganol y gol. Neb yn ei marcio fo. Peniad rydd. Ond mae'n cymryd mantais o hynny. A just penio yn ôl ar draws y golwr. Syth i ganol y gol. Gwych o peniad ganddo fo. Mae'n gwybod yn union be mae'n trio wneud. A mae'n wneud o. Y glinigol o'i ben.
Mae capten a'i harwr nhw'n paratoi gymryd y gic gornel. Mewn y hudan y bar. Bobl bach. O, mae wedi taro'r bar ac mae wedi mynd i mewn. A wedwch chi be mae'r eilydd Brookwell wedi sgorio. Diolch wedi bod ar y cae mwy na chydig funudau. A mae Brookwell di'r rhoi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Y Bala 1, Caernarfon 2.
Mae'n mynd â pŵer yndi, ond mae'n neud mor dda i gadw hon i lawr, oherwydd mae wedi bwnsio yn y chawr wrth i fresto. Mae wedi gadael i ddod lawr i'w hanner llathan, a mae o'n cadw i ben drosti a pŵer trwyddi. Am gol.
Thomas, o, mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd mewn at Evans. Evans yn disgyn. Mae'r dyfarnwr rhoi gic o'r smotyn. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn penderfynu bydd y gic o'r smotyn. Jones yn cael ei gosbi. A dyma chi gyfle i Caernarfon. Craig. Mae'n llithro mewn bron yn boenydiol, ond mae mewn. A sbiwch gymaint mae'n ei olygu. Y Bala 1, Caernarfon 2.
Well, Sean, first of all, what a game that was.
It seemed that, yeah, it was probably a really good game for the neutral. It was a bit of a nightmare as a manager in the first half. We've had some choice words at half-time. You know, one of the two of the players weren't happy with certain things. But sometimes that's what it takes. It certainly sparked a reaction from our boys. I thought, certainly second half, I thought they were different class. I felt in patches in the first half we were very good. However, it was just simple errors, you know, which forced Bala attacks, really. But, you know, I've got to commend my players. They were unbelievable second half. And, you know, the support that we get is unreal. You know, massive noise coming from him. And, yeah, it's a good 3 points. And unfortunately, it's only 3 points. But, yeah, we'll definitely take that here.
Oedd ffantastig. First half, oedden ni way off I beth da ni wedi bod yn neud tymor yma. Ond ail hanner, dwi'n meddwl, oedden ni ffantastig a dwi'n meddwl oedden ni llawn heddi curo'r gêm.
Ac I ddod yn ôl o fod ar ei ôl I hefyd yn dipyn o gam.
Yndi, da ni wedi dangos cymeriad eto, oedden ni un dim lawr nebyn Caernarfon, da ni'n eto heddiw ac oedd hynny'n deud, oedden ni'n llawn heddi ar ôl y second half performance.
Alex, we can talk about the goals, but I mean, you made a few unbelievable saves in that game as well.
Yeah, I mean, thankfully they just seemed to hit me in the first half. I mean, like Nate's touched on there, we were disappointed in the first half and there was a few words said at half-time, but thankfully the lads dug in second half and we got what we needed to do.
Well, Colin, you kept your players for a good 15 minutes at the end there. What did you say to them?
Just story of our season, really. Just, you know, outstanding performance in the first half. Should have taken our chances. If we'd have gone in at half-time 5 or 6 up, I don't think anybody could have complained about it. And then second half, it was the wrong side of Bala, which has come about a few times this season. Didn't defend well. They won the second balls. They won the battles in midfield. And if you don't win your battles across a football pitch, then you'll lose games. And they went on and won it. Took their chances when they come, and that sums our season up with Ramsey in goal getting man of the match for them and us losing the game.
And I mean, what a position to be in now, because this man's penalty at the end means you finish 5th in the first phase of the season.
Really, I didn't know that, but like I said, we've probably massively overachieved. We had our doubts at the start of the season, but I think it's nice to prove everyone wrong and we're in a good position going in.
Oedd hyn yn rhywbeth fysa ti di breuddwydio neu fel Covid y hyn, so di orffan hanner cynta'r tymor yn y 5 safle?
Ella dim 5, ond oedden ni gyd yn coelio dechrau tymor, gan ni ddigon yn y garfan I fod yn y 6 ucha. Ac objectives y clwb oedd jyst I aros I fyny, ond oedden ni fel chwaraewyr, oedden ni'n gwybod oedden ni digon da I gorffan yn y 6 ucha.
A lot of teams had changed positions with us. The bottom 6 had obviously changed positions with us, and a lot of the teams in the Cymru Alliance would as well. So, you know, we're still in a good position. It just shows how far we've come with Bala being so successful over the years that we're in the top 6. We've lost at home to a good Caernarfon team. We're still in the Welsh Cup, and, you know, people are saying that it's not good enough, but we'll be there and thereabout.
Meet your friends, Bangor City in the Cup.
Yeah, the neighbours. I won't say the noisy neighbours, like, to be fair, but no, I mean, I went with my assistant Richard last night and you know, just have a look at them. They were very good on the night against Denby. They got an away game at Holyhead, I think, on Friday. So, you know, they might have to show a little bit of character there, to be fair, Holyhead on a Friday night. But we'll prepare as if it's a TNS or a Connah's Quay or a Bala away. We're going to do our homework. It promises to be an unbelievable occasion. You guys there again. Ticket sales I think are going really well. So if you haven't already, make sure you buy your tickets because it promises to be pretty feisty. But one hell of an occasion, not just for Welsh football, but I think North Wales football as well.
Fyddwn ni gyd yn edrych ymlaen at hwnna. Diolch, Sean.
Diolch, a noswaith dda i pawb. Diolch.